Good evening to all. I am Subramanian, working as assistant professor in SNS College of Technology. In this session, we are seeing about the power plant engineering. In power plant engineering, there are many sources of the generating electricity power by hydroelectric power, or steam electric power, solar power, nuclear power, and in this session, we are going to see about the diesel power plant. So, diesel power systems. Diesel power system is one of the power systems where the power will be generated without the use of the turbine. In all the other purposes, in all other turbine, all other power plant systems, we use turbine to generate the electricity. But only diesel power systems, we does not use turbines. But it is a more complicated here. Here there are three cycles are there. One is the oil filter cycle is there. Next was the air filter cycle, and lubricate the diesel pump. Diesel has been used for the purposes here to generate the electricity. Diesel engine is used here, and also the overheat will generate in this engine. To cool it, we use the cooling tower also. So there's a oil and air filter is being used there as a one cycle, and whereas the cooling lubricating pump is used in the second cycle. With the use of the diesel engine also, and the other one is the third cycle we are using is the cooling power cooling tower systems. So here the first fuel pump oil fuel is been pumped here through the oil filter, filtering the foreign properties, and through the pump the fuel is pumped, and the fuel injector injects the diesel into the diesel engine itself. At the same time, when it injects the fuel, injects the diesel engine here, diesel inside the diesel engine. Air filter also, the compressed air has been entered in the diesel due to the combustion of the diesel and air. The diesel engine functions, it rotates, and where it rotates, this rotation, the shaft of the diesel engine has been connected with the generator where generates power. And for this, there will be a smooth motion of the piston in the diesel engines. We use the lubricating oil. So lubricating oil is after the oil cooler. The oil cooler has been cooling the oil, and the cooled oil has been pumped through the oil filter into the diesel engine, where it has been circulated inside the diesel engine such that the pistons to be worked in a smoothest manner, and the hot oil has been again is been filtered to the use of lubricating oil, and the oil has been cooled here. How the cooler means the cooling tower. From the cooling water, the water enters through the water pump, and it enters the oil cooler. It extracts the heat from the oil cooler, and it has been also the cold water has been sent into the diesel engine over the diesel engine itself to cool the diesel engine. And the hot water is collected at the surge tank, where it has been pumped to the water pump, and it is again passed the cooling tower itself. So this working process of diesel engine, here you can see the diesel engine works in a such a manner such that the diesel engine acts as a turbine itself, and it rotates, it generates the power. So turbine is no need of the here in the diesel engine itself, but the diesel power is to be has been used for generating electricity itself. Moreover, diesel engine power is also nowadays is used as a generator itself to produce the electricity. Gensets they say, and also mostly these diesel power plants are used in the islands itself to produce the electricity, where it can be able to have the source of the water source or steam power source or cooling water source also. River water is not available places. We are using the diesel engines. So the merits of diesel power plants, you can see it gives a high efficiency also, more efficient than the other power plants, as well as the quick startup time. Whenever we can able to immediately start the diesel engine, we can able to produce the electricity. At the same time, we can able to come to the rest of the switch off the diesel power, and there will be wild use of the fuel availability also. And here is the advantage of the power plant is where it is a low installation cost only, but quick installation, very quickly can able to install it, and it can be able to transfer from place to place also, and it gives a high efficiency, more efficiency than the other power plants, and efficiency part loads, and also lower auxiliary power consumptions only. Whereas it is suitable for the lower grade fuels also, can be useful, and also limited, there's no water requirements also, limited water requirements itself here, and it's a quick startup and also user friendly. So this and also here only this power plant we have the source of pollution is there. Pollution means the construction work already all the dust areas, the diesel power plant will be giving the more dust, more smoke itself, which is harmful to us. And when you compare the diesel engine with the hydraulic power plant means, so distilled working principles, different methods of generating electricity, whereas merits is advantages such as the reliability and efficiency, and demerits environmental impact only. Whereas diesel hydraulic power is a renewable source energy, whereas diesel engine is the is not a renewable source energy, and in hydraulic power the water can be utilized further. The diesel engine, after diesel has been used to generate electricity, then it has been left as a smoke itself. With this, we come to the end of this session, sir. Thank you for watching it.